Alright friends, now let's talk about using arrays with for loops. I showed it in my previous lesson, but we will dive into it. So here I manually say e is less than 7, but it's possible that I cannot know the array length. So the professional usage is giving array name and then so how many elements I have, I can find it using length. So instead of 7, I use scores.length. So it gives me 7 here. So if I have 10 elements in my scores array, scores.length gives me 10. I hope you understand it. So if I run it, you see nothing changed. Super. I can also modify this when I print it. So I can use print function and I delete this. So I can modify it. For example, I can give a space between each element using plus and space. So if I run it, you see I print it this way. I can also give element name. For example, element 1 is this, element 2 is this, something like that. So for doing this, I can use println, and then what I need to do, I need to give element name using index. So for doing this, I can open my double quotes and then I say element, and then I put my plus operator. What I need to do, I need to use this index. But if I use only e value, what will happen? I run it. You see element 0, it starts from element 0. I can give a space here also, just one space. Yes, I run it. You see it starts from element 0. I can put colon. If I put, it will be better. So it starts from element 0. So what I need to do, I need to increase e value when I print arrays element. So I come here, I say e plus 1. So I put inside the parentheses because I use plus operator for concatenating here. So if I do that, I run it, you see e starts from 0, but I print element 1 because 0 plus 1 is 1. Element 1 is scores 0. Scores 0 gives me my first element. So it starts from element 1, so it continues until element 7. I hope you understand it. So using this method, I can print each value in order. Super. See you in the next lesson.